Good morning, sir. Myself, P. Pawan Kumar. I am from SRIT. Now, present, I am pursuing my graduation first year in Srinivasa Ramanujam Institute of Technology. Today, my topic for CAA 2020 is types of arrays. There are three types of arrays: one-dimension array, two-dimension array, and multi-dimension array. What is array? Array is a collection of homogeneous elements of same data type. An array is a fixed size sequential collection of elements of same data type that share a common name. It's simply a group of data types. An array is derived data type. An array is used to represent list of names or numbers. Here is how we represent the arrays. It has index values. Index value always start from 0. An array is an variable that can multiply. Example, if you to store 100 integers, you can use array for it. Int data of size 100. It is advanced. Arrays are important because in a program, if we need to declare too many variables, it is so difficult. So are benefited it. Array, by using arrays, we can declare any number of variables at the same time. Access array elements. You can access elements of array by indicate. Suppose you declared an array mark as done. The above element is mark of 0, the second number is mark of 1, and so on. How to declare an array? Here is an syntax for how to declare an array: data type, array name, and array size. For example, float, marks, and of size 5. Here float is the data type and marks is the name and 5 is the size. How to initialize an array? It's possible to initialize an array during declaration. For example, int marks of 5. You can also initialize an array like this: int marks of 19, 10, 8, 17, 19. Here we haven't specified this size. However, the compiler size is 5 as we are initializing it with 5 elements. Input and output of arrays. Here, how can you take input from the user to store it an array element? Scanf statements are used for inputting. Scanf %d and ampersand marks of 2. We input the array elements by using scanf statement. For printing an elements of an array, we use printf statements. Printf %v marks of 0, and we for printf %d marks of I minus 1. So we use printf statements for printing the array elements. Here is a simple program for one dimension array for sum of elements in an array. Two-dimension array. Generally, two-dimension array syntax is as follows: data type, array name, and row of size and row of column. So, for syntax of two array, dimension array consists of two subscript. Initializing two-dimension array, like one-dimension array, two-dimension array can be initialized by their declaration: int table of 2 of 3. We will assign the values as shown in the figure. Table 0th row first column 0. Table 0th row first column 0. Table 0th row second column 0. Table of first row 0th column 1. Table of first row and first column 1. Table of first row and second column equals to 1. The above statement can be written as int table of 2 and 3. The first subscript always represent row and second subscript always represent columns. Multi-dimension array. There are 3-dimensional arrays. Columns. There are 3 rows and 3 columns. C allows array of more dimension called multi-dimension array. The general form of multi-dimension array is type array of S1, array of S2, array of S3 and so on Sn, where S is the size of dimension. Int survey of, here it is a 3-dimensional array 3, 5 and 2. Float of table, here there are 4 subscripts, so it is a multi-dimension array. Advantages of an array. Individual variables to array. Huge amount can be stored under single variable name. Searching of data item faster. 2-dimensional arrays are used to represent matrices. Thank you, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity.